Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install MSI drivers for your laptop, desktop, motherboard, graphics card, or other components. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and type MSI drivers in the search bar. Make sure to click the official MSI website. I'll also leave the link in the description. Once you're on the site, choose your product category: laptop, desktop, motherboard, GPU, etc. For example, I'll go with laptops. Select your series, like Titan, then pick your exact model and hit search. On the results page, you'll find tabs for BIOS, drivers, and utilities. Click on Driver. Select your operating system like Windows 11 or 10, and you'll see drivers for Bluetooth, LAN, audio, graphics, and more. Just click Download. You can also go to the Utility tab to download tools like MSI TrueColor, App Player, or NVIDIA drivers. Even mouse or sensor drivers are here. That's it! Install the drivers and you're good to go. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.